You see a person in a plain, gray t-shirt and jeans. No logo, no visible brand. What does that signal? For most of human history, wealth was displayed. Palaces, jewelry, elaborate clothing, these were unmistakable advertisements of power and status. This was what economist Thorstein Veblen called conspicuous consumption. It was a way for the new industrial rich of the 19th century to prove they belonged. But what happens when that need to prove something evaporates? The signal inverts. Silence becomes the loudest sound. When you have enough wealth to buy any object you could possibly desire, the desire for objects themselves can diminish. This is a state some sociologists call post-luxury. The game is no longer about accumulation, but about insulation. The goal shifts from broadcasting status to protecting privacy and peace of mind. A flashy car attracts attention. A nondescript sedan offers anonymity. This is not about hiding wealth, but about being unbothered by the social obligations that visible wealth creates. The ultimate luxury is to be left alone. This shift was massively accelerated by the culture of Silicon Valley. Think of the early computer programmers and hackers. Their status was derived from intellectual capability, from the elegance of their code, not the cut of their suit. The uniform of a hoodie and sneakers became a deliberate rejection of traditional corporate America. It signaled a focus on building and creating rather than managing and presenting. When that culture began generating unprecedented wealth, its aesthetic became the new symbol of power. Dressing like a traditional CEO would signal that you were part of the old world, not the one being built. As physical goods become less important for signaling, status moves into the intangible realm. The focus shifts from what you own to what you've done. Instead of a new sports car, the status symbol becomes a month-long silent meditation retreat in Japan. Instead of a diamond necklace, it's funding a niche scientific research project or learning to speak a dead language. These experience goods can't be easily photographed or displayed, but they form the basis of conversation in certain circles. They signal wealth of time, intellect, and access currencies far scarcer than money. Dressing simply is also a form of social performance. It's an attempt to signal authenticity and relatability in a world of curated online personas. By wearing a simple uniform, a person of immense power can project an image of being just like you, focused on their work and unconcerned with frivolity. This is a strategic move. It builds trust and disarms criticism. It's a concept called normcore, the conscious choice to embrace blandness to signal you're above the endless churn of trends. It's a performance of not performing. But here is the crucial distinction. This simplicity is often an illusion. The gray t-shirt isn't a $5 piece of cotton. It might be a $400 shirt from Brunello Cucinelli, made from Sea Island cotton with a specific patented weave. The simple black sweater could be Loro Piana Vicua wool, one of the rarest and most expensive fibers on Earth. This is inconspicuous consumption. The signals are still there, but they are encrypted. The immense cost is hidden in the perfection of the cut, the quality of the fabric, and the ethical sourcing. It's a signal only intended to be read by other people who know the code. Ultimately, adopting a simple, consistent uniform is about cognitive offloading. Making decisions, even small ones like what to wear, consumes mental energy. For individuals making high-stakes decisions daily, eliminating this decision fatigue is a functional advantage. Creating a personal uniform, the same t-shirt, the same jeans, the same sneakers every day, frees up cognitive resources for more important problems. In this context, dressing poor isn't a statement about money at all. It's a strategic tool for optimizing the mind. The real status isn't in the clothes, but in having problems so complex that you can't afford to think about clothing.
Monotony has grown fast. Nearly 2,700 people have watched in the last few weeks, yet less than 0.03% are subscribed. It would mean a lot if you joined by hitting subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.